Spicy wontons in crispy chili oil are filled with plump bites of shrimp and very tender pork. It tastes bouncy and juicy with wonderful flavors. Every mouthful brings you delightful happiness. You can always get the full recipe on my blog, cookcookgo.com. The direct link for this recipe, you can find it in the description below. First, in a large mixing bowl, you will need 240 grams of shrimp that are peeled and deveined and cut into small chunks. Then adding 120 grams of ground pork, 2 finely chopped green onions. Next, adding 1 whole egg, 1 grated garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, then adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. Then adding half teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Now combine all the ingredients and mix everything well. You want to use your chopsticks to mix in a circle in one direction. Then you will get a nice and sticky texture. Next, we are going to make the wontons. You will need 1 package of wonton wrappers. Put the wonton wrappers in a bowl and cover with a plate to prevent the wrappers from drying out. You will also need a bowl of water. Next, dust your countertop with some flour. Now we are ready to make the wontons. Watch closely. Dip your fingertips into the water bowl and wet the edges of the wrapper. Then add a heaping 1 teaspoon of filling in the center. Then wrap it into a round shape and pinch the edges. You have to use your thumb and forefinger a lot to make the shape. Voila! 1 wonton is ready. Now, continue the same procedure and finish wrapping the rest of the wontons. The more you make, the better it gets. It is important that you do not add too much of the filling at one time, otherwise it will be hard to hold it together. Okay, let's watch one more, and this time it gets much faster. In total, I have made 40 medium-sized wontons. Next, let's make the spicy sauce. In a bowl, adding 3 tablespoons of 老干妈 crispy chili oil, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar. Mix it well and set it aside. Now it's time to cook the wontons. Boil a pot of water. Then cook the wontons in batches. I cook 12 at a time. It also depends on the size of your pot. Cook the wontons in the boiling water for 5 to 6 minutes or until cooked through. You can also tell if the wontons are cooked when you see that they are floating on top. Now let's continue to finish cooking the rest of the wontons. You can always freeze the leftover uncooked wontons. When ready to use, take them out the freezer directly and cook them in a pot of boiling water. Transfer wontons to serving bowls. Now generously drizzle a few spoonfuls of the spicy sauce on top. If you like it really spicy, the more the better. Then sprinkle with some extra chopped green onions. It is ready to enjoy. Wontons are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yes, you can enjoy it at any time of the day. Spicy wontons in crispy chili oil are fun and easy to make, and it tastes super satisfying and delicious. I hope you can give it a try. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!